back in action, ladies and gentlemen. Crypto market trade of the day. I want to talk about the Chainlink. We're still here, holding tight, waiting for that move. Obviously, you can see the last, the last 8-9 days had been pretty stagnant, right? There was not much to write home about. Nevertheless, there was still an encouraging element as far as our bearish conviction goes, of course, and that was price action coming back up, testing 1445. That was our point of reference. That was our trigger level to get in the first place, right? So the fact that it came back up, tested it slightly, got rejected. It couldn't cross over back above that level. That's still a good sign for us. That's a good indication that we're on the right track. And we even added one more trade to the mix. So right now, 3 trades, 0.25 each. And let's see if this downside momentum today will lead to a continuation of this downside trajectory. Another interesting point, looking at this from the weekly chart perspective, you can see the breakdown below 1445 a couple of weeks ago with the weekly close confirmation. And then the following week, which was last week, price actions testing 14.45 from below, touching and backing off. So now it switched to being resistance, right? Been confirmed. So yeah, we expect price action to continue all the way to 11.5820. That is a massive key level support. All right, and we're gonna probably terminate our bearish campaign at 11.5820. Later down the road, however, we might decide to reestablish that bearish campaign, and this time chase a new target. But that's only if price action can establish itself below 11.5820, at least with a weekly close confirmation, right? This is how it looks like from the monthly perspective. This is why we're so adamant about the 11.5820, because we haven't got any touchdown yet. I believe price action will make solid contact with that level, not to mention breaking it and continuing on the downside. And here the downside potential is pretty impressive, I gotta tell you, because I think it can go all the way to 6.35. 6.35, by the way, this green dotted line not just represents the previous major low from August 2024. Price action hit the lowest low, 8.10. I think it has the potential to take that low and to continue a little bit lower all the way to 635. This key level here is a Fibonacci projection taken off the previous major upside move from top. Check this out, from here on the bottom back in early January, right? Lowest low 1784, all the way up to mid-January, highest high 2720. So this is the measurement, 223.6. It's right there at 6.35. So yeah, I think that's really the downside capacity for the Chainlink, but we're not even talking about that right now. All the focus is on 11.5820. There's a lot of numbers here, so bear with me. All right, guys, as far as stop loss level goes, we still kept it in place. It's 16 flat. So, but again, if price starts to break above 1445, then we're probably on the wrong side of the market, right? We will have to run for the exit and potentially even flip over. But that's not the case, at least not yet. All right, guys, that's about that for the situation here on the Chainlink. Hope you enjoyed that video. We're going to see you in the next one. Take care.